So here we have a 2013 Nissan Altima. It's making a rattling noise underneath. So I looked, and what it was this heat shield here. So I just it had some kind of a metal mesh, and it broke off. It was all through here. Anyway, it started rattling. This is right on the exhaust. This is right there on the, coming off the catalytic converter. So it's the heat shield, right? So I was making a rattling noise, and I just took a clamp, bought it at Lowe's, a couple dollars, and I just clamped it on there. Made sure it's tight. It's on the edge, as you see on the metal. So I clamped it to the edge of the heat shield, and it stopped making noise. So in case somebody runs into rattling, maybe that's your problem there. Thank you.